how to understand the spiral roundabouts, A19 North to the A1231 East, the Wessington Way, Route 1. Making progress down the A19, the left lane is for the A1231, the right two lanes, the A19. When we pass under the gantry, you notice the lane markings become a shorter line with a shorter gap. This shows that this is the slip road for the A1231. The next road sign confirms that the left lane is the A1231, the right hand lane continues to be the A19. But immediately after this, the next sign shows that the left lane goes to Washington and Newcastle, the right hand lane going to Sunderland and the Stadium of Light. Climbing up the bank, remember to check your mirrors to see what's behind you. And in front of you, the lane splits into two. We're taking the left-hand lane to turn right. Both lanes go to Sunderland. Remember, given the choice, left is best. Mirrors and indicate right as you approach the traffic lights. We're turning right, third exit. Following the stud markings takes you into the middle lane. Passing the first exit, continuing to turn right, and as we pass the second exit, at that point, indicate left and spiral out into the left-hand lane. Remember to use your mirrors as you're going around here. Be aware of the traffic that's on your right-hand side. Exit the junction and make progress down the A1231.